the kinetic molecular theory of gases. That is, better before this theory we will have various experimental as well as theoretical observations about the gases, various laws like Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac law. But at the time of these laws or theoretical study, number of scientists tries to form the theoretical model of gas. To form the theoretical model of gas. One of the scientists, that is the Bernoulli, put forward some positive response about the molecular theory of gases, that is the theoretical model. And this model, the model given by Bernoulli, also be explained or modified by number of other scientists after the Bernoulli. But Clausius in 1857 give the best theoretical model of gases is in the form of kinetic molecular theory of gases. That means this theory was given by Clausius. Main postulates of this theory. First one, beta, smallest particle of gas is molecule. The smallest particle of gas is molecule. That means gases are made up of smallest particle known as molecule. First postulate, every gas is made up of large number of small particles known as molecule. All the molecules of a gas are similar in all the properties. Similar in properties in all respect like mass, pressure, volume, etc. These molecule of gas, when molecules are arranged in the form of gas, these molecule of gas are far apart. These molecule of gas are far apart, that there is no force of attraction or repulsion between them. Molecules of gases are separated from each other by large distance. So there is no force of attraction or repulsion between them. So there is no forces of attraction or repulsion between them. Attraction or repulsion between them. As the distance between gaseous particles are very large, that means volume of gas increase, and in comparison of volume of gas, volume of a particle is negligible due to large distance between gaseous molecule. There is large distance in the gaseous molecule. The the volume of gaseous molecule is considered to be negligible in comparison of total volume of gas. Beta, gases are made up of large particles. These large particles are small in size. These are molecules. Molecule of gases are separated by large distance. That means there is no force of attraction and repulsion between them because particles are at maximum distance. Due to this large distance, volume of gas will increase. That means in comparison of total volume of gas, volume of single gaseous molecule will be considered as nothing. That means negligible. Gravitational force. Gravitational force on gaseous molecule are also negligible. On gaseous molecules are also negligible. Then beta gases are always controlled in closed container. Gases are always stored in closed container, and molecule of gases are always moving. When gases molecule are moving from one another, they will strike with one another during collision and also strike with the wall of container. That means gaseous molecules are continuously moving. Gaseous molecules are supposed to be continuously moving. During movement, they are moving in different directions with different velocity. Different direction with different velocity. And they strike with one another and also with the wall of container and also with wall of container in which the gas is kept. Also with the wall of container in which gas is kept. Now, beta gaseous molecule exert pressure on the wall of container. Why? Because these gaseous molecule also strike on the wall of container. Gaseous molecule exert pressure on the wall of container in which gas is kept or stored due to the bombardment of gaseous molecule on the walls of container. Same container means in which the gas is stored or gas is held or kept. Beta gaseous molecule are supposed to be gaseous molecules are supposed to be perfectly elastic in nature. Why they are perfectly elastic in nature? Perfectly elastic means they never lose their energy. They never waste their energy. Gaseous molecules are considered to be perfectly elastic in nature because they do not waste their energy. During collision, they transfer their energy with one another. Then, seventh important postulate, particles of gases or molecules of gases are considered to be perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic. Meaning of perfectly elastic, that is no waste their energy. बेटा ड्यूरिंग कोलिजन gaseous molecule or particles of gas transfer their energy to one another. The molecule which have large energy transfer its extra energy to the molecule which have less energy. And last one, beta molecules of gases are moving with different velocity. They possess different kinetic energy because kinetic energy is half mv square. If velocity is changed, kinetic energy also change. That means the molecules are moving with different velocity. They possess different kinetic energy. Last and most important postulate, that is that is kinetic energy of gaseous molecule is directly proportional to the absolute temperature, because gaseous molecules are moving in different velocity and possess different kinetic energy. These 8 postulates are theoretical model for the gases given by Clausius in the form kinetic molecular theory of gases. On the basis of all these, we have an equation that is known as kinetic gas equation. We have an equation that is known as kinetic gas equation. That kinetic gas equation will be derived from ideal gas equation. That is kinetic molecular gas equation or kinetic gas equation. That is PV is equal to 1 by 3 mn c square. Beta, either you will write C or U, both are the same thing. Root mean square velocity. P is the pressure of gas. Volume of gas. V. M, small m, mass of gaseous particles. And number of gas molecules in the given volume. Number of gas molecule in the given volume of gas. Then C. C is the root mean square velocity. Beta, this is the kinetic gas equation. Through this equation, we will derive our 8 postulate. Kinetic energy is directly proportional to absolute temperature. That is from kinetic gas equation that will be derived. Also derive Boyle's law, Charles law, Gay-Lussac law from kinetic gas equation. Now let's we discuss or derive that kinetic gas equation. Derive kinetic energy is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Absolute temperature on the basis of or by using kinetic gas equation. derive eighth postulate from kinetic gas equation, or derive relationship between kinetic energy and absolute temperature on the basis of kinetic gas equation. Beta, question is any form, answer remain same. Kinetic energy directly proportional to temperature or absolute temperature, it is the eighth postulate. Relationship, they are directly proportional. In all of the questions, we want to derive relation between kinetic energy and absolute temperature on the basis of kinetic gas equation. Beta, kinetic gas equation PV is equal to 1 by 3 mnu square. It is kinetic gas equation. In this case, mass into number of molecules is equal to molar mass of gas. M is the mass of gas, N is the number of molecules of gas. Both these are multiplied to give molar mass of gas. Put this value in equation 1. It is first equation. PV is equal to 1 by 3 mc square. You represent C in main equation. M is the mass of gas or molar mass of gas. C is the root mean square velocity. It is approximately equal to kinetic energy. Beta, if it is 1 by 2 mc square, it will be represented by kinetic energy. For this, equation 2 is divided and multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 on right hand side only. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. Left hand side remain as it is. Right hand side is multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. We may write like this, 2 by 3 of 1 by 2 mc square. It is okay? Yes. Half mc square is equal to kinetic energy. 2 by 3 of kinetic energy. According to ideal gas for 1 mole. According to ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. For 1 mole, PV is equal to RT. Putting this in equation 3, later putting it in equation 3. Our third equation is PV is equal to 2 by 3 of kinetic energy. PV is equal to 2 by 3 of kinetic energy. Beta, PV is equal to RT. This will be put in equation 3. This is the equation 3. In place of PV, it is RT. Clear? Now, kinetic energy is equal to 3 by 2 of RT. 3 by 2 remain constant. R is the universal gas constant. So, equation 4 become kinetic energy is equal to constant T, constant temperature. Remove the constant, it is represented by symbol. It is our eighth postulate of kinetic gas equation. It is our eighth postulate of kinetic gas equation. Thank you.